You can see myself cooking some good Italian meals here. Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Andla, your Prescott Arizona realtor. Today I'm going to take you to Whisper Ridge. It's a community very close to Prescott, just north, maybe a couple miles. Who's this community for? Well, pretty much for anyone, whether you want to retire, bring your family here, work remotely, or simply enjoy Prescott lifestyle. Why is it such a desirable place? Well, there is a lot of custom-built homes, older homes, very close to Willow and Watson Lakes if you like to hike and kayaking, which I think you should do if you decide to move to Prescott. This house I'm previewing for my client is 2352 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, currently for sale for $648,950. It is fully renovated. I think it's got potential. Let's go see it. Look at this trick. Door open. I told you this is a very smart house. And double oven too. Very nice. Appointed rooms. The bedrooms are all very good size, especially the master bedroom. And every bedroom has got a walk-in closet. Very nice. What a nice house and a gracious neighborhood. No HOAs, no association fees. So convenient to town. If you want more information about this beautiful little neighborhood called Whisper Ridge, or Prescott in general, feel free to contact me. I'll be available. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me, or you can get in the car with me. We can go see some hidden gems here in Prescott, Arizona. If you enjoyed this episode and the tour of this beautiful home, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. So long.